All right. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 146. I'm about a week behind, my apologies. But yeah, it's always fun to do them. I've been in El Salvador the past week and I just kind of never got around to doing this, but hopefully better late than never. And we'll see how I go. Okay. Hit the like button, subscribe, and join me on Discord, all the good things. And without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Am I ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Okay. Half of the sub array. Okay, well, the sum is equal to exactly half of the second number. Okay, this is so weird, but okay, fine. I mean, it's not that hard, it's just weird. I think that's right? I do not know how to write code. I think that's right. But, okay, so then now, if A plus B, plus C times 2 is equal to B, then it's just easy to make mistakes, I suppose. And also in reading, I think the other day I made so many mistakes. But hopefully this one okay, yeah, good. Okay, part 2. Count paths of the given X or Y. You have a grid, you have a K. From upper left to bottom right, you can only go down and right, okay? The XOR of all the numbers in the path must be equal to K. Oh, okay, mod. Okay, yeah. I mean, the number only goes up to 16, so there's only 4 bits, so that's pretty straightforward, I think. Yeah. This one should be a typing problem, but I am a little bit slow on the typing. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Have to be careful with this one. I may be off by 1 on the mods, but that's fine. 350 seems okay. YOLO. Okay. Trying to quit. Too horizontal. This is an annoying problem, I suppose. What does it mean to be cut? Sweep line? Yeah, sweep line sounds okay. Yeah, okay. what is this? Where's the input? Where's the... Okay, so then we want I think I have to be careful about this one though. In that someone like this, but I'm not very confident about this one. They should have drew this out, but okay. 0, 2. Okay, let's just print it out. Why did I write true? Under x is 0, 2. I have to draw it out a little bit. This time I did not have my 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Okay. Oh. So there's only one cut. Why did I write 2 cut? A 3. Well, 3 is right. 2 doesn't seem right. It's how I handle this thing. So how should I handle it? I can just find it. Maybe I was just being too cautious and wrong. Now it's force. 0, 2, right? One, 2, nothing. 2, 2. That's right. Okay, 3. No, this is wrong. This is wrong because okay, what I need to do is my typing is terrible because I have a notepad in front of me on the keyboard. Okay, then now this should be good. I mean, it should be better anyway. Clearly no good. Okay, so at 0, okay, at 2, which is 1, okay, there's 2 things, yep, at 3, okay, that's the end, and there's 1 left, okay, 4, there's 2 left, 5, which is the end of 3, there's 1 cut, okay, and then we do a second cut at the very end, that's why. So actually it should be 3, because it counts the extra cut at the very end. Okay, I buy that. Okay, we usually make mistakes. I mean, a little bit cheating because we see that you know, in the virtual contest we see only 88 people got it accepted, so this is a very hard problem. I am curious about the leaderboard, but there's no leaderboard link anymore. I have to kind of finagle the URL for it. And my watch is telling me to stand up, but it's okay. Wow, people are fast. 140. Oh no, that's right. I forget that this is at the very end because they don't. It's not live. So 147 is the lowest rank I could be, which is nice, I suppose. But okay, but we have to finish this. Oh yeah, mod. Given it away, subsequent of number 5 with unique middle mode. What is the mode? Unique mode if it only has 1 mode. Unique. What is a middle mode? Oh, if middle element is a unique mode. Okay. That's a funky one. What does a mode mean? And first of all, I think 1,000 numbers only though. Maybe that could be a hint. I don't know if we need a sort, but it's fine. Okay, for each... Oh wait, no, you can't sort because the middle element has to be. Okay, so the order does matter to a degree. Okay, so let's say we iterate a number in the middle, then what does that mean? What does mode mean? Mode means that we want at least I guess it's just case enumeration if I have to guess at this point of yeah, I think it's just case enumeration of okay, so for each number that is the mode, you just count the number of left things and then combine them, right? The only tricky thing is that you could have 2 which is the only tricky thing. How do you prevent the 2 cases? Okay, so how do we do the count? I mean, it's idea is easy, but I don't know that it's easy. Okay, right. So we have the middle number. We count. The number of numbers that on the left and on the right, and we just do a lot of combination stuff. I think the one tricky case about n is equal to 2 is hard, I think. I don't know, but all right, we could get started though. So here maybe we have only 1,000 numbers. Only means that we should be able to do prefix sum in a good way, right? Yeah, I mean, okay, just do it that way. I guess you could always also do binary search. Yeah, maybe that's actually a little bit cleaner. I don't know if it's true. Okay, and then now I don't know how to do the 2 case though, but we okay, just focus on getting it done, I suppose. Or like one step at a time. Let's focus on the things that I do know, right? So okay, so then now 5 2 to the left, 2 to the right. Okay, so then now so this, it means that, yeah, okay, so that means that to the left is going to be just index, and then right is going to be link for right. Okay, so then now we want L choose 2 and R choose 2. Okay. Right, and then that's, I don't think, I mean, this is clearly incomplete, but it actually should work for the first one in theory. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, this is the tricky part I don't know how to do. Oh, I see. They want you to, so the 1000. Is it just L choose 5, or is it just this choose 5? Maybe I'm being a little bit too fancy with this. That's wrong. Why is that wrong? Why is that wrong? Choose 5. So we have 6, choose 5. Is that not right? Why is 6 choose 5 not right? 6 choose 5 is 6. Okay, so 6 choose 5 is right, but I'm just doing. Oh, well, that's because I'm doing it this way. Whoops, I forgot. Actually, it should be for x and index user keys. Maybe I'm doing this wrong though. Yeah. Okay, so that's right. And then now we want to choose 4. Okay, so these are the 5s, right? So maybe it's just less complicated this way. And 4 is just choose 4 times 1 of every other number. So basically it's going to be n minus c, right? Okay, and then 3 is going to be choose 3, and then n choose 2, right? Now it has to be n minus c choose 2, of course. Okay, yeah, I think that's fine. And then now the hard part is the 2s, right? Well, that's okay too, I think. I think that this is the only part that's hard, in theory. Choose 3, so this is going to overcount. We know that. Now we just have to subtract that out, right? And we want to subtract that out by okay, so now you want to do I don't know. So okay, so you have all these. You want to choose 2 times the way to choose that we choose 2, and then times it by any other number, which is going to be n minus yc minus yc. Choose 1 technically, but I guess that's the same, right? Is that not right? I mean, that doesn't seem too hard if that's true. Okay, well, it's already wrong, but so oh well. Oh no, this is subtract. This is subtract. That's why. Is this it? I don't get it. Only 88 people, so I don't feel like this could be right. But okay, let's YOLO submit. Maybe I'll get a wrong answer. Okay. Ooh, negative number, but that shouldn't matter. Expected 1 0. Oh, it has to be the. I think I messed. Okay. I forgot about the middle part. I forgot that it has to be the middle element. Okay, that was. I was thinking about it, but I just forgot. Okay, 4. I guess the reason why 4 works is because of the. No, that I was gonna say pigeonhole, but that's not even true, is it? Because you can definitely have a case where. Wow, I'm just really bad today in reading. Like one. So that's why I had it the other way when I started it. But okay, I guess I just have to rewrite this one. That's fine. I think we have some ideas about it, but yeah, okay, fine. I mean, I thought that felt too easy. I was like, I don't get it. What is wrong here? But oh well. Yeah. What did I have? Okay, so that. Okay, so then I'll choose 2 times Okay, I mean, we have to figure out how to, I mean, it's gonna be similar, but I don't know. Let's just comment this out. Okay, so that's the way to do 5 where it is the element, but 5 is actually pretty easy in that way, because I think it actually, I did not need to do this, but okay, but for 4, so this is for 5, right? And then now for 4 we have 2 left, 1 right. So here we want 2 left, 1 right. I know that's whatever, but okay. And then 1 of any number that is not R on the right side, right? So that means that on the right side, it's going to be n minus I minus 1 and minus R for, we cannot choose those, times, no, that's it, right? Because you only choose 1. I guess technically it's just choose 1. We want to be more precise, but okay. And then 4 to 1 left, 2 right is going to be the same. How does this look? A lot of people got wrong answers. Okay, so it's still going to be tough. Choose 2. Then now on the left side there should be I elements, right? Yeah, I elements minus L, and that's it, right? I mean, these are going to give me crazy numbers, but that's fine. Well, it submitted this, it's fine, whatever. This should be 0, but this gives me 7, which is actually not great. Why does this give me 7? 1 is 6. Okay, let's debug this while we can before we do the other ones. I thought it was case enumeration, but yeah. Okay, so it's the 4s that are so at index 3, so 1, 2, 3, so this one, it wants 1 number to the left and then R to the right, right? Okay, let's put more. So it is this one where it wants this, but why? It's 3. R is 3. Why? No, this is an n, that's why, because this is length of indexes of x. I am being a dumbo. Okay. Okay, now we're good again. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then we want to use the example of just I don't know, 1, 1, 1, 5 or something. That should give me 1 if everything goes right. Yep. Maybe we add another one. That should give me 2 maybe. Yeah. Okay, fine. I think we're okay now, or more okay. I don't know if we're okay yet, but okay. So then now it's just 3. How much time do I even have left? An hour left. We're okay. 3, 1 left, 1 right, right? that sounds right. And then times by I minus L times. Okay, right. So those are the things for 3. How do I not double count? Do I double count? Oh, because these will be 0. That's why. Okay, that's fine then. Larry, you're so smart. No, I'm just kidding. But okay, and then now just 2 left. So this is going to do times everything on the right. So comp choose 2, right? Okay, and then it's gonna be the same idea. Right, choose 2 times comp of choose 2, right? Okay. It's 6, right? I guess so, actually. Because this I didn't count stuff like this, and that's already 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them, right? That are length 3. Okay. Now length 2 is the hardest one, I suppose. I think we just do the math and then length 2 means that they all have to be different. That actually sounds easier to do, right? Okay, so we choose 3 different things and then we no, that's a tough math. That's an n cubed math if you want to do, because it's not just those 3. But can I do the contribution math on it? So okay, so you have to do, and it's not even that, right? You have to choose 3 different numbers, but that's fine. That part is easy. But then you have to multiply it by the number of ways to choose those. That part is hard. So it has to be 3 different numbers. Okay. It's either that or maybe it is just case analysis then. Okay, so if we do every possibility, then what happens? Then you have to subtract out on the right side. That's hard. Okay, maybe that's why. Yeah, maybe. Okay. How did I do this one? I mean, can we enumerate the cases? But then we have to do we have to be careful. Okay, so the 2 case is what is the 2 case? mean, we can subtract out, but okay, no, I mean, I think that's fine. I think we just have to do math on, okay, yeah, maybe. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Just want to make sure I'm not double counting. Okay, so you have 1 left, 0 right, fine, right? And just comp of. Do I need to separate the left side and the right side? I guess so, because we have to keep it in the middle. Where's that? I minus L, choose 1, so I guess that's actually just this. Times. I need more better variables. I'm gonna mess up on a typo and I'm gonna be like really sad. Okay. Yeah, we just choose any 2. And then we just have to subtract it out, I think. Okay, fine. And then the right side, it's gonna be right side. Something like this, right? And then now we overcount. So, it's a mess. It's a mess. I think I know how to do it, honestly. It's just still annoying to do, and I'm trying to think about it. Yeah. Just for consistency's sake. And then now we'll just subtract it out. Both the case where one number, there's 3 of them. Okay, so then now we want the case where okay. So this is going to be the number that is on the, okay. So that means that on the left side of something like that, right? Okay, so that's number of things on the left and number of things on the right, so we have to subtract out this is so annoying. I mean, it's not that bad. We have to subtract out, which one is this? 2 on the right, so we have to subtract out 2 on the right. I guess we can actually do these together, but I think my head is too dumb for this. Yeah, I mean, okay, so it's just RB choose 2, right? Choose 2. And then number of left side, right? Okay, so these are the 3 of B's. Maybe there should be Y's. Okay, 2 of B's is going to be 2 on the right, right? 2 on the right, and anything on the left. which is going to be I minus L minus LB. I think anything else rather. So then now this is what one on the left. So that's just gonna be LB is to RB is on the right, and then you have an extra floating one on the right. So that is going to be, that's the total number of numbers. Really I should have used an SOA variable for this. Yeah, it's too late. Is it? I don't know. Okay, well, I think that's good. And then now we just do this here. Even though it should be, I could probably keep on the same loop, but I think mentally I need that separation. So 3 of B's, it's going to be okay. On the left side, we choose 2. 2 on the left. So it's actually, this part is actually not that bad. Right? Maybe it is. It's so easy to make a mistake, actually. 2 on the left. And then on the right side is 1 of anything, so it's going to be whatever's left on the right side. So this is the number of things minus R minus RB, right? And then on the right, yeah, okay. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. I guess this shouldn't change. Does that? No, that doesn't double count, I don't think. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if this is right. Let's run it real quick. Com n must be a non-negative number. How do I get? Am I off by 1 on my index? Find sect left on I. Oh, it could have no elements. I suppose. Am I bad at binary search? I mean, yes, but so it should give me the next integer, and then okay, maybe I don't need a -1. Maybe I just get confused. Okay, well, this is how we do it. Line 46. RP. I guess we just. Oh, there's no negative -1 because you cannot be the numbers cannot be exactly in the middle. I think I just in my head did something similar. Okay, am I better? Okay, the answer is no. I mean, this is definitely not right. We probably over subtracted. Am I over subtracting something? Do I need to like add something back in? What's this one? Is this one? This should be 0, but I have this ridiculous number, which is, what is the mod? So that's like -2, I guess. We could debug that, so that's not that big of a deal. This one being 4, this one is probably more interesting for me for now. How much time do I have left? 45 minutes. Okay, so we don't this is too annoying to. If we don't subtract the overcount, is it at least correct-ish without the overcounting? 6, okay, so it overcounts correctly. Does it? There's 4. And the 2 instances of this, so okay, so you know that overcounts correctly, so I'm subtracting it incorrectly maybe, or maybe I'm double counting something. middle, no. I mean, this makes it right, but why? So this should, for this, okay, so this 2 should have, no, this 2 should have a thing, right? And it's double counting because, does it double count? Let's see, what does it think it's doing? Okay, so it's not the 3 B's, which is true because we don't have 3 B's. Okay, 2 on the right, which is true, but that should only have one instance, right? So 1, 3, 2, so there's only one instance where that's the case. Did I do the math wrong? I is the number of numbers to the left. Okay, yeah. And then L and LP. RB choose 2. It should be 1, right? Alright, let's take a look. This is unreadable, but okay. 1 negative. Okay, so -1 is the middle. I'm not looking at the right one anyway. Okay, that's why. Okay, so the 2 and the 3, there's 1. 2 on the right. And then there's this one. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. LP, what's LP? Maybe that's the one. Silly mistake somewhere, I think. Okay, so the 2 and the 3. LB is 0, which is true. On the right side is 2, that's fair. This is 1, okay. But then, and then LB should be still be 0. I'm really bad at this. I really need better better debugging things. Okay, so this is 1. So why is this thing not? Wait, so then why do we subtract twice? Okay, so we do this thing twice. Oh, we double. Why does the first x? Okay, that doesn't make sense because we're subtracting it from a silly place where how do I take that out? Well, it's just because there's no 2 numbers on the left, right? So actually, I think this is dumb. It should be starting from Okay. Still 5, that's good. Because then here we can do. I didn't think the math would have worked that way, but okay. So now we fixed that one, but this one is still wrong. Which one is that one again? Oh, it's this one. It's so wrong. Is that -2? Okay. I mean, this is the only place we subtract, so -1 is the one in the middle. We subtract overcounting, but it only overcounts if we have we have to okay, maybe this thing is a little bit silly because I think I overcounted, but we can actually just do. Actually, yeah, no, I think the way that I'm doing it with the removal is a little bit silly. So what we can do actually is just do more case enumerations, right? Okay, so we have this thing. Okay, right? So then, okay, so then, whew, one left. Okay, so on the left side you have this. So you need another random number, but actually that's very annoying. No, it's fine. Come on, Larry, you could work this out. Okay, 3Bs. It's gonna be this times 1 on the left. So that's it, right? Oh wait, this is. No, okay, yeah, this is that. Well, this is wrong. Okay, how do I combine them a good way? So these are the things that are not right, but we want to subtract out. Why do I mean, I think this is, the idea is fine, but we subtract stuff without having enough stuff, which is very awkward. Okay, so how do we do this? I mean, is it enough to cap it? We count all these things. I think it's enough. I think I messed up anyway. So I think I need, for each one, I need to multiply by this, and I think that actually would fix it, because L is 0 in this case. Which is actually ridiculous. Okay. I mean, I think this is. I mean, I don't know if it's right, but I mean, it matches the output, is what I mean. So that kind of right, but not like confidently right. Alright, YOLO. Ooh, wrong answer. Yeah, that took a while for a wrong answer, honestly, but okay. Output 1, it should be 0. I mean, that's true. So I think, so there is 1 because I do so this. Okay, so it is on this side or this side? Okay, yeah, so it's on this, which is that it has 0 to the left, 1 right. Okay, so that part is right in theory. But then now I have to factor into here. But this. So this is not working, seems like. Uh, 34 minutes left. Basically, this is returning 0, I suppose. Yep. And it should be on this one, so okay. Why? LP times 5B, yeah, that's good. 1, 1, 1, R is also 1. So then you have this thing. Am I just off by 1 here? No, there's no more numbers on the right. On the, oh, is this on the right? Okay, so oh, this is just typo actually. One on the left, one on the right. This doesn't make sense, does it? One on the left, one on the right, and then everything is on the left, right? You have the one extra number on the left. So that is actually wrong. There should be I minus. I went too fast on this one, I suppose. But if that fixes it, then I am happy. I mean, we wrote so much code that if that was the mistake, that is not bad. I wouldn't be surprised if there's like 5 more mistakes we have to fix. Yes, we got it, friends. I mean, this is a hard one for sure. Like I feel happy about this one, I think. And because I was, it still took like 45 minutes or whatever, plus 2 long answers. But I knew it from the get-go how to do it, but I just didn't want to do it that way. That's why like my structure was kind of right. But yeah, I mean, okay. I don't know if I could have done this during, when I was in El Salvador, but still. Yeah, I mean, I the funny thing is I just got lazy here, honestly, because I was like, oh, 1 left on the 1 right, so I could just copy and paste this, but I was wrong because I had to take account the extra thing. So that was a silly mistake, but it's just tiring to grind stuff like this out. But it's not that bad, I think. It's just like I said, like immediately I knew it was case enumeration. And then the first try, I think I don't know. I try to optimize in my head and I forgot about certain things, but yeah. Cool. Yeah. That's all I have for this one, I think. Let me know what y'all think in the comments and all the good stuff. Don't seem to do that well on a live contest, but no, I mean, I think yeah, I think that was pretty fine. Alex recommends reading his thing. Let me see. Oh, I don't know how to. Okay. What problem is this? 3395. I guess that's the benefit of doing this later. Is that Alex said that he wrote the thing. How do this is the tab? Huh. Yeah, I mean, I think I did it the same way. I mean, I did with binary search. Oh, you convert this to O of N, huh? Yeah, I mean, well, due respect to Alex, I mean, I think this is thanks about right. I just mean like, yeah, it's definitely much cleaner than mine, but I think this idea is more or less the same. What is the O of N one, huh? I guess that could be. Oh, what the? Oh, I do know this, but yeah, okay, yeah, I do. I mean, I know of it. I don't know. I think I've done it once or twice in my life, but that's a crazy optimization. Or I don't have the energy for it today. It's too crazy for me today. But yeah, I mean, we came, we saw, we did enough to ourselves, so that's all I can ask for. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's all I have for today. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.